Hello, 9th standard students. Today we will discuss the poem The Bold Peddler and the Robin Hood, written by Francis J. Child. So, first I will just read about the poet given in your textbook. About the poet, page number 126. Just look into that. Francis James Child, born on February 1st, 1825 and died on September 11, 1896, was an American scholar, educator and folklorist. Best known today for his collection of folk songs known as the Child Ballads. Child was Boston professor of rhetoric and oratory at Harvard University, where he produced influential editions of English poetry. In 1876, he was named Harvard's first professor of English, a position which allowed him to focus on academic research. It was during this time that he began working on the Child Ballads. The Child Ballads were published in 5 volumes between 1882 and 1898. They are a major contribution to the study of English language folk music. So, this is all about Francis James Child. So, we'll start. This is Robin Hood. You must be heard about Robin Hood, his stories. He was a hero who used to rob from the rich and used to distribute the money to the poor. Here, this is a story of Robin Hood and his cousin brother. He came to know that the one who is fighting with him is his cousin brother. It came to know in the later stage, where Robin Hood got defeated by this peddler. This peddler, while walking in the wood, Robin Hood and his assistant John. So they meet a peddler. He was carrying some baggages, and John asked the peddler. Peddler means the one who is walking. So John asked peddler to give the bags to him. But the peddler refuses, and he challenges John and Robin Hood that if they want these baggages, they need to combat with him, that they have to fight with him. So they agree. John was defeated first, and later challenge was accepted by Robin Hood, and he too was defeated by the peddler. Then the identity of a peddler come to know about the peddler's identity when they got defeated. They ask him who he is. At that time, the peddler says he has come from that particular place and he had killed a man on his land, and to escape from the punishment of the government, he has come to this place for shelter. So this was the identity of the peddler. Knowing about his story, Robin Hood comes to know that this peddler is none but his cousin. So cousin brother. He had met with his cousin brother, and he makes friendship with them. He offers for friendship, and the peddler accepts his friendship, and they become friends. We'll start now. There chanced to be a peddler bold there chanced to be. He put his pack all on his back, and so merrily trudged over the lea. By chance he met two troublesome men they chanced to be. The one of them was bold Robin Hood, and the other was Little John so free. So there was a peddler. The one person was walking very merrily on the lea, in the woodside, and near to the forest. Now he was walking nearly. By chance, he met with two persons. Two persons he met, and one was among them. One was Robin Hood, the bold Robin Hood. So he was very bold, was very courageous, known for his boldness, was known for his bravery, was known for his courage. So bold Robin Hood, and the other person, two person he met. So one person was the bold Robin Hood, and the other was Little John So Free. Little John So Free. Other person was assistant of Robin Hood. O peddler, O peddler, O peddler, peddler, what is in thy pack? Come speedily and tell to me. I have several suits of the gay green silk and silken bowstrings by 2 or 3. So now John asked, O peddler, peddler, what is in thy pack? What is there in your pack? You are carrying something on your back. What is there in your pack? I have several suits. He says, I have several suits. Suits means their dress. I have several suits of green grey silk. So the material of the suit is gay green silk. So next, what else he has in his bag? What else he has in his bag? There silken bowstrings. Bowstrings. They put bowstrings here. Bows. Silken bowstrings by 2 or 3. 2 or 3 bowstrings he has. If you have several suits of the gay green silk and silken bowstrings 2 or 3, then by my body, cries Little John, one half your pack shall belong to me. Now what John says, if you have gay green silk, suits of gay green silk and silken bowstrings, if you have so many things, one half of it should belong to me. Means it has to give, the peddler has to give to Little John. He is demanding, Little John is demanding, half of it has to come to me. One half your pack shall belong to me. Oh nay, said the peddler bold. Oh nay, that can never be. For there is never a man from fair Nottingham can ask one half my pack from me. So he refuses. He says, oh nay, said the peddler bold. Oh nay, that can never be. You can never ask from me. From where I have come? I have come from the fair Nottingham. You can never demand from me. You can never steal from me. I have come from Nottingham. Can ask one half of my pack from me. Then the peddler, he pulled off his pack. He took off his pack and put it a little below his knee. He put it in the knee and put it little below his knee, saying, if you do move me one perch from this, my pack and all shall gang with thee. Then Little John, he drew his sword, the peddler by his pack, he did stand. They fought until they both did sweat, till he cried, Peddler, pray, hold your hand. Now, what he did, he kept the pack he was carrying on his back, he put it below his knee, just holding from the 2 legs, just holding it back, he holded in the 2 legs, and he asked them, if you move me one perch means almost 1 inch. If you move me 1 inch on one perch, this pack will belong, this complete bag I will give it to you. If you don't, you cannot trouble me anymore. So they start fighting. Little John and peddler started fighting with their weapon. And Little John said he got defeated. He said, till he cried, Peddler, pray hold your hand. Stop your hand. I am defeated now. I agree. I accept my defeat. Please hold your hand. Then Robin Hood, he was standing by. He was watching this. He was a spectator to this fight. He was watching there. He said, and he did laugh most heartily. Seeing this, he started laughing. The fight of the peddler and Little John, when they stopped fighting, Little John asked to stop the fighting. Then Robin Hood, he started laughing heartily, saying, I could find a man so smaller scale could trash the peddler and also thee. Go you try, master, says Little John. Go you try, master, most speedily. So now Robin Hood says, so I can win from both of you, Little John as well as a peddler. Then what Little John says, he says, go you try, master, say Little John. You also try. I have tried, you also try. Now itself, speedily, most speedily. Go you try, master, most speedily. Come speedily and start fighting with him. For by my body, says Little John, I am of short size. I am of a small stature. My size is very small. For by my body, says Little John, I am sure this night you will know me. So I am already tired. My body has become tired. For my body, says Little John, I am sure this night you will know me. Then Robin Hood drew his sword. So Robin Hood drew out his sword, and the peddler by his back did stand. They fought till the blood in streams did flow, till he cried, Peddler, pray hold your hand. So Robin Hood also took his sword, and peddler, carrying his pack in under his knee, he also started fighting. They fought till they started bleeding. There were wounds on their body. So, but the peddler did not move. The blood in streams did flow. Streams means there was too much loss of blood. Streams, the blood flowed from their body. Then Robin Hood says, till he cried, Peddler, pray hold your hand. So he said, Peddler, please hold your hand. Stop the fight. Stop this fight. O Peddler, what is thy name? Now, as they have defeated, they ask his identity. O Peddler, what is thy name? What is your name? Come speedily and tell to me. Come quickly and tell your name. Come, my name I never will tell. No, I will not tell my name. He says, I will not tell my name till both your names you have told to me. Till both your names you have told to me. Until you tell your name, until you reveal your name, I am not going to reveal my name. I will not tell my name to you. The one of us is bold Robin Hood. So Robin Hood says, one of us is bold Robin Hood. So I am Robin Hood. And the other is Little John so free. So other one, the little one was, his name is Little John. Little John so free. Now, says the peddler, it lays to my good will. Now, says the peddler, now he opens his mouth. He lays to my good will whether my name I choose to tell to thee. I am Gamble Gold of the gay green woods. So I have come from, my name is Gamble Gold. I reveal my name now. My name is Gamble Gold and I have come from gay green wood. I have come from gay green woods. And I travelled far beyond the sea. I have come crossing the sea. I come by crossing the sea for killing a man in my father's land. I have killed a man in my father's land. And from my country was forced to flee because I killed a man on my father's land, on the land of my father. I was forced to flee. Forced to flee means as to escape from the punishment. He wanted to escape from the punishment as he has killed a man on his father's land. So he wanted to escape. So he flee. Flee means running away. He is escaping. He is trying to escape. He ran from that place. flee. If you are Gamble Gold of the grey green woods. Now Robin Hood says, if you are Gamble Gold from the gay green woods, you are my mother's own sister's son. You are my mother's own sister's son. Mother's own sister's son. That means he is a brother. Both his mother and Robin Hood's mother, Pedlar's mother and Robin Hood's mothers are sisters. My mother's own sister's son. What nearer cousin can be we? So there is no. These cousins are very close cousins. So what nearer cousins can we be? They treat their swords with friendly words. So they put the sword inside and with friendly words they became friends. So merrily they did agree. They went to a tavern and they did dine and cracked bottles most merrily. So they became friends. They put their swords inside and they come to know that they are cousins, close cousins. That they are both Robin Hood's mother and Gamble Gold's mother, that is Pedlar's mother, are sisters. So they are very close cousins. So they become relatives. So that's why